Hey there, future herb growing extraordinaire. Yes, you, the one who can't keep a cactus alive, but dreams of a lush herb garden. Are you ready to embark on a journey that will transform you from a plant killer to a botanical wizard? Well, buckle up because we're diving into the wonderful world of herbs where even the brownest of thumbs can turn green. If you've ever looked at a basil plant and thought, how hard can it be, only to find it resembling a dried up twig within a week, fear not. We're about to sprinkle some magic and a lot of practical tips to help you grow the herb garden of your dreams. Prepare for some laughs, learning, and maybe a little dirt under your nails. Let's get planting. Imagine yourself stepping into your kitchen, greeted by the intoxicating aroma of fresh herbs. You brush past your very own indoor herb garden, a symphony of vibrant green leaves reaching for the sunlight streaming through your window. Can you practically taste those delicious homegrown flavors already? There's something truly magical about having fresh herbs at your fingertips, ready to elevate any dish you create. It's like having a little piece of nature's bounty right in your own home. Well, today we're turning that dream into reality with our guide on how to grow herbs indoors. All right, garden newbies and green thumb veterans, gather around. Whether you're a seasoned gardener who can grow roses on a cactus, or you're the type who has a black thumb and manages to kill plastic plants, this video is your golden ticket. We're here to give you the confidence to turn your windowsill into a verdant herb jungle that even Tarzan would be jealous of. So, buckle up, because we're about to transform you into the herb master you were always meant to be. No more parsley funerals or basil tragedies. First things first, let's talk about choosing the right herbs for your indoor garden. Now, we want to set you up for success, so we're going to start with some low-maintenance superstars. These are the herbs that are practically begging to be grown indoors. For beginners, I can't recommend herbs like chives, parsley, mint and basil enough. They're pretty forgiving, don't need loads of sunshine, and they'll reward you with incredible flavors. Chives, for instance, are brilliant. A little snip here and there adds a lovely oniony punch to salads and dips. Parsley, the workhorse of the herb world, is fantastic fresh or dried. And mint, well, that's your mojito sorted right there. Remember, starting small is key. Choose a couple of your absolute favorite herbs, the ones you know you'll actually use, and let's get those green thumbs going. Now, just like us, herbs need their daily dose of sunshine to thrive. Aim to find a bright spot near a window where your herbs can soak up at least 6 hours of sunlight each day. A south-facing window is usually your best bet, but don't worry if your place doesn't have one. We've got a trick up our sleeve: grow lights. These nifty gadgets are like sunshine in a bowl, providing your herbs with the light they need to flourish. You can find a variety of grow lights online or at your local garden centre. Trust me, they're worth their weight in gold, especially during the shorter days of winter. Remember, observe your herbs closely. If they're stretching towards the light or looking a bit leggy, they might need a little more sunshine or a boost from your trusty grow light. Right, now let's talk containers. Choosing the right pots for your herbs is like finding the perfect outfit. It's all about style and practicality. You want something that looks good in your home, but also provides the right environment for your herbs to grow. First and foremost, make sure your pots have drainage holes. Herbs hate soggy roots, so those little holes at the bottom are crucial for allowing excess water to escape. Now, for the fun part, picking out pots that reflect your personal style. You can go for classic terracotta pots, sleek ceramic ones, or even upcycled containers like vintage teacups or mason jars. Get creative and let your personality shine through. Remember, a happy gardener is a happy plant parent. All right, let's talk dirt. Well, not just any dirt. We're talking about quality potting mix, the foundation for happy and healthy herbs. When choosing your potting mix, look for one that's specifically designed for herbs and vegetables. These mixes are like a nutrient-rich buffet for your plants, packed with everything they need to flourish. Avoid using garden soil as it can be too heavy and compact for delicate herb roots. Remember, a well-draining potting mix is essential to prevent root rot. You want your herbs to be sitting pretty in moist, not soggy soil. So go for that good stuff. Your herbs will thank you for it. Now for everyone's favourite guessing game, watering. Getting it just right can feel like a bit of a dance, but don't worry, you'll get the hang of it. The golden rule is to avoid overwatering, which is a surefire way to send those delicate herb roots to a watery grave. The best way to tell if your herbs need a drink is to stick your finger about an inch into the soil. If it feels dry, give them a good watering until the water drains out of the drainage holes. Remember, different herbs have different watering needs. For example, basil loves to stay consistently moist, while rosemary prefers to dry out a bit between waterings. Keep an eye on your herbs and adjust your watering schedule accordingly. Now, just like us, herbs need their vitamins and minerals to thrive. Regular fertilizing gives them the extra boost they need to grow strong, healthy and bursting with flavor. You can choose from liquid fertilizers, granular fertilizers, or even opt for organic options like compost tea or worm castings. Whichever you choose, make sure it's formulated for herbs and vegetables. Remember, a little goes a long way. Follow the instructions on your chosen fertilizer and avoid over-fertilizing, as it can actually harm your plants. A little bit of plant food every few weeks during the growing season will do the trick. And now for the most rewarding part, harvesting your very own homegrown herbs. There's nothing quite like snipping off a sprig of fresh basil or rosemary and adding it to your culinary creations. To encourage bushy growth and prevent your herbs from becoming leggy, it's important to harvest regularly. Don't be afraid to snip off those top leaves and stems. Your herbs will thank you for it. Remember, the best time to harvest most herbs is in the morning after the dew has dried, but before the sun gets too intense. This is when their essential oils are at their peak, giving you the most flavorful harvest. Well, there you have it, folks. Everything you need to know to create your very own indoor herb garden. Remember, growing your own herbs is all about experimenting, learning, and most importantly, having fun. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty and watch your culinary creations come to life with the freshest flavors. For more incredible gardening tips, tricks, and inspiration, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Garden Pros. We've got a whole world of green goodness waiting for you. And while you're here, let us know in the comments below what your favorite herbs to grow indoors are. We'd love to hear from you. Oh, and one last thing. We've got a special discount on gardening tools just for our amazing viewers. Check out the description box below for all the details. Happy gardening!